Today I will show you how to install Claude Code on macOS, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Google and you're going to type in Claude Code. It's going to give you the Claude Code Anthropic website. Once you click on it, you see here it says Claude Code. Work with Claude Code directly in your code base, build, debug, and ship from your terminal, IDE, Slack, web, and more. Now from here, we can choose to download from macOS, but sometimes we get errors. So what I'd advise is for you to click on read documentation. Now on the read documentation, when you scroll down, you can see it says macOS, Linux, and WSL. So you're going to copy this link and paste it in the terminal. Once that's done, you can see it says Claude Code successfully installed. Once that's done, you're gonna have to copy this command, copy, and then paste it, and then run that. Now, when you type Claude, it should respond. It says, "Welcome to Claude. This is what you should get." Now, that's how to install Claude on macOS. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.